Alright, here we got Monte Carlo SS 2004. Sorry about the mess. Button came out. Alright, turn on the car. You go to put it in gear, and the button just flops right out. Normally I just throw it out, and as you see, it doesn't even want to stay in there, so I'll put it in there. So now we got Mr. Replacement. What you got to do, make sure we're in gear off the car. Right here. Trying to see if I can zoom in. Oh, too much. There is this little pin holding it out. You can see. Oh, there goes the pin. You got a pin holding it in place. Otherwise, you cannot take that thing off whatsoever. So save yourself some time. Now all you do is pull that down, pull up. There you go. Take your new bad boy, put it on there. Take your pin, and shove it back in there, and there you go.